y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. Miss Tamika, I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I share my most used SLGs for the year 2024. Made the cut, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. So I got all my SLGs right here, you all. So I'm gonna just go in any particular order. I'm gonna just grab one and just let you know why it made the cut. So I'm gonna start off with this here Gucci key pouch. The Louis Vuitton key pouch a few times, and y'all, I'm just being honest, I was not pleased with the quality of the key pouch, so I did return them each time I bought them, because the stitching at the bottom, now I did hear that that's how they are made, but I don't know, it just wasn't worth the price. Because if you look here, Gucci has this here thick stitching where you can't see through the bottom, because the Louis Vuitton key pouch I had, you could see straight through the bottom. Not like that. Like if I look through here, I could see the light through here, and I was like, absolutely not. It's about the same price. This was either cheaper or close to that price, and the quality is way better, like way better. And the hardware hasn't tarnished, because if you know the Louis Vuitton one, the hardware eventually do tarnish, but the hardware did not tarnish here on this Gucci, y'all. So yes, and this is one of those I use when I just want to grab my keys and my ID and my cards and, you know, go out the door. So yeah, y'all, this made the cut. One of my absolute favorite purchases. I did mix it up because it's not all Louis Vuitton, you all. Hands down, my next item is this here Chanel card case, y'all. I did purchase this one at King of Prussia when I went to visit my son and grandkids, y'all. I did want the gold hardware one. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I did want the one with the gold hardware, but this was the only one that they had available, so I was just like, okay, I'll get it. Y'all, when I tell you, hands down, best purchase ever. Like, you have a spot for cards here, and also a stack of cards in the inside. And I haven't worn it lately, but y'all, when I tell you, I love this here card case. And as you can see, the leather is very durable. Now, I am looking to get a Chanel card case, and I'm thinking about getting it in this material versus the other material, and I will show you. But yeah, y'all, you know this had to make the cut. This is another Chanel piece. Now, this one I bought pre-love. And y'all, when I tell you, I love this cute little Chanel case. Now, I did pay a little more than retail value, only because it was secondhand and I wanted it. I wanted this really bad because of the fact that it was pink. But yeah, I love my Chanel pouch. Like, this is that pouch you could throw like a few lip balms in here. Like right now, I have this here Maybelline lip product in here. Let me see. I'm waiting for the maintenance man to come. Y'all, Maybelline products is bomb, y'all. Oh my gosh, it smells like cupcakes. And I will be sharing my favorite lip combos as well, because I get a lot of comments on my TikTok and Instagram. But yeah, y'all, I love this here Chanel pouch. This thing holds a lot. Like, it holds a lot. Here in the inside, it has the Chanel logo, and it did come packaged in its original packaging, and I was happy about that, because anytime I buy pre-love, I like to at least get some of the packaging. So this one, I was able to get the box, the card, the everything. So yeah, that was before they stopped that Chanel like credit card thing you would get in your purchases. So they stopped that, so now they don't offer that when you purchase Chanel. I don't know why, because like I said, I'm not a Chanel-y girl, so I don't know the ins and out on that part of why they stopped doing the credit card thing to show like the serial number. So if y'all know, let me know down below, because I know y'all know. Of course, y'all, hands down, this is This is like my ride or die, y'all. When I tell you, I think back when I bought this, this was like 3 something. I got this for my 30th birthday. Y'all, when I tell you best purchase ever, like I always carry this all the time, like all the time. And there's nothing really in it because I haven't been carrying it as much because of the fact that I've been like switching out to small bags. From, I want to say I paid like 3 with tax, maybe 4. This thing is like $700-800, y'all. This little thing. This is why I'm so glad I bought all my Louis Vuitton back when I did. Because the prices of the Louis Vuitton now, no ma'am, no ham, no Pam. Like, I wouldn't pay $800 for this. Absolutely not. But it is worth it. I was saying, y'all, you know this had to make the cut, y'all. This is my absolute favorite purchase. Like, I will never get rid of this. Even though if I was to sell this, I would, of course, make a profit, but nope, she's gonna stay in my collection. Favorite item I have been using like that is this here Louis Vuitton pink wallet. I love pink. Like, I'm a girly girl. And so when I saw this little pink cute little wallet, I was like, okay, add to cart, let's purchase. So you can put a few cards in here. You can double the cards. I haven't doubled the cards as of yet. And place cards here in the back. And you can also put coins in this little zipper pouch. I don't usually put coins in my zipper pouches, but you can. And the wallet is made of plastic. So if you were to put coins in here, I feel like you should be fine. But I just don't put coins in my wallet. I usually keep coins in my car only because when I go to Aldi's, I like to have, you know, a quarter on hand. Coins in this little pouch. My coins are usually kept in my car. But yeah, this one here holds a lot as well. If you have a lot of cards, this here can hold a lot. And I haven't had any color transfer issues or anything like that. Hardware is still in good condition, so that's a good thing. It's a little bit of hairline scratches, but of course that's to be expected because of the fact that, you know, you can't control everything unless you that person that unless you put like clear clear tape over it to protect it. But I'm not that anal when it comes to my stuff. Like, I take care of my stuff, but I'm not going to sit there and put like a little clear piece of tape to keep it from scratching, because, you know, it is what it is. I mean, I really worries too much about the hairline scratches because it's nothing you can do about that. Like I said, it's nothing you can do unless you take the time to wrap it with some type of clear tape or something. Moving on to my next item, which is this Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch. When I tell you, this is where I throw all my pieces in this here pouch. Like, when I carry my Neverfull, I always fill this up with all my go-to pieces, and I throw it in my bag and just take it in and out. Sometimes I'll put my vlogging camera stuff in here just to keep it from like inside of my bag. Like, I'll break it down and put it in here and make it easy for me to grab it and go. So yeah, y'all, this has been my absolute favorite for 2024. Even sometimes when I go to work, I may stuff this with all my handbag stuff and just stick it in my bag, so when I'm at work and they need to check, you know, my purse, I can just show them the inside of here and be done with it. Now, I was hoping that Louis Vuitton would come out with the smaller version. Now, you can buy it as a set. I don't want the whole set because, as you can see, I do have this size. I don't care for the really big size. I just want the little small one. So Louis Vuitton, that would be nice if you come out with a small version of this, because it would be, I guess, like the size of this, maybe a little bigger or maybe the same size. But yeah, y'all, I love my toiletry pouch. The last two items, you all, y'all know I love, when I tell you I love my Chanel card case, y'all, best purchase ever. You hear me? Best purchase ever. Ever since I have been wearing like smaller bags, I haven't been into the bigger wallets like I had, because I do have the Emily wallet. I haven't worn that wallet in years, you all. And I also have a Gucci wallet. That's a long big wallet that went with my Gucci I call it it's like a bowling bag, but you have a Speedy 35. And that bag is just way too big for me. So I did tell my daughter-in-law that I was going to gift that to her for graduating college. So I got you. So that is her bag. So that was like my gift to her for graduating college. I just have to send it off to her. But yeah, that bag is way too big for me now. Like I said, I was into bigger bags back then. I don't regret purchasing it, but I do wish I would have gotten it in a smaller size. I mean, I guess I do regret purchasing that particular size. Like, I wish I would have got it in a smaller size. I don't even know back then when I got that bag if it was in a smaller size, because that bag is over 10 years old. I think that bag is just as old as my first Louis Vuitton purchase, because I think I bought the Gucci and the Louis Vuitton at the same time. I didn't have a good experience for my first time shopping at Louis Vuitton, but I do remember having excellent customer service at Gucci when I made my first purchase, because I did do my first Gucci purchase at Phipps Plaza, and then my Louis Vuitton was at the actual Louis Vuitton store. That was before I ever that was before I even got introduced to an essay, because, you know, I didn't know. I just went in there looking at Louis Vuitton. I mean, I just went in there after watching YouTube and was like, okay, I want to see this, I want to see that. But I don't know, the experience wasn't there. But of course, it has gotten a whole lot better. Of course, the people that used to work there 10 years ago don't even work there anymore. So yeah, I say that to say, yo, I just went all the way there just to let y'all know how I am loving my Chanel card case, y'all. Case that I am rocking. This is why I want to get a newer card case that's made more like this material. Like this one here is soft and squishy, and it do show a little bit of wear like in the corners, and it's nothing that Chanel will do for me, because she was like, it's nothing Chanel can do, because she said that SLGs are not covered under the 1-year warranty, which I don't understand, but whatever. So that's why I don't want to continue to wear this out, because I don't want it to really look worn down, because once it's worn down, it's nothing I can do with it. I mean, I guess I could take it into the Chanel store, but I would probably have to pay out of pocket. So before I get this here wallet to that point, I'll just rather just switch it out. So yeah, y'all, hands down, I love this here Chanel case, y'all. Ooh, I love this case. And last but not least, y'all, this one time already, and I promised myself, when I got myself a brand new car, no matter what kind of car, just a brand new car, I said I am going to repurchase this here particular item. And your girl got herself a brand new car, and this is why I repurchased this here Louis Vuitton key pouch. I told myself that, I was like, as bad as I wanted to repurchase this, I said nope, not until you buy yourself a big girl card. And that's exactly what I did, and that's when I purchased myself this here card case, key pouch. Get the 6-key ring holder, because they have the 4, but for me, I don't have a lot of keys, but I don't like how small the 4 looks, because with this one you can put cards in the back of this, and this is where I keep like my credit cards that's only for emergencies. So I usually keep them here in back of this here card case. I usually keep them in back of this here key pouch, like I said, for emergencies only. The only key that I have on here right now is the mailbox key and my front door key. I did have to get a new lock on my door, so I don't know if y'all remember, I had that cute key with, it was like shaped like a house. So I probably will upgrade my key back to what I had, or probably something cuter. But as of right now, it's just been working for me. And then I have my little rewards here. I don't know if y'all know, but if you have a library card, you can rent audiobooks on your iPad. So I've been renting books, y'all. I've been getting into reading books. Like, oh my gosh, they've been reading to me. Like, I'm not that person that would sit down and grab a book and read, and I wanted to be that person, but I don't know, I'm not that person. But I would sit down and listen to a book. So that's what I've been doing. So if you have a library card, I would highly recommend taking advantage of downloading the app. I'm sure it's available everywhere, but yeah, y'all, download that app and get them books. Like all them books that's at the bookstore, that's like real popular, you can get them on the library website. Before friends, we decided to start a book club. So the first book we read, it was available to purchase at Barnes and Noble. I did purchase it, but y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I cheated. I was like, I can't read this. So I did read a few chapters, but then when I found out it was on the library app, I took that book back and I just started reading it off of the library app. So I hadn't read the whole book, so I'm waiting for them to catch up so we could talk about the book. But it's just fun to be in something like that because, like I said, it's been a long time since I've been around like good vibes. So I'm just so thankful and grateful for the good vibes that I have created here in my new space, because in Covington, no, but here, nothing but good vibes. And I thank God for that, because I have came a long way. Because like I said before, I was just that person that always had problems with people just hating and being jealous for no reason, like for no reason. And I just say that to say, because I'm not going to take this all the way there, but I just say that to say I'm just thankful and grateful that God has blessed me with really, really good people that don't care about what I have, don't care about how I look, just here to have fun and just do fun stuff. And they also love what I love. Like, we all love makeup, we all love fashion. Well, I'm not so much a fashionista, but we all into handbags. Like, just to have somebody vibing like you vibing has been a blessing for me. So I'm just so thankful and grateful for that, you all. So if y'all watching, my Sephora friends, I love y'all. But yeah, that was everything. That was the SLGs that I wanted to share. Now, I do have some that I do regret purchasing, and I probably would share that as well if you want me. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I got one more piece. I almost forgot, because how could I end this here video without mentioning this little cutie? Now, this is a key pouch. Now, this is too big for me to carry as a key pouch, but this is where I carry like my go-to lip products. See, because right here you have a key ring. And I don't know, I don't think I would use this as like a key ring that I would carry around with me, but I will use this as a catch-all. My little small little things in my purse. For them being picky about how many products you carry or whatever at work, when I tell you all these things will be full with lip products, y'all, because I just love lip products. But yeah, this is also my favorite. If y'all don't have this, I highly recommend getting this, because you can use this so many other ways than just a key pouch. Like, if you want to use it as a key pouch, you can. Like, say if you want to put your key on here, you can put your key fob in here as well. This is my first time ever having a key fob, so I will say it do fit, because I came from a card key where you had to stick your key in the ignition and start. So this here key I can just keep in this here pouch, and I don't ever have to take it out, because as long as it's close to me, my doors are open. So yeah, but I just been liking this one at the moment. But this one is another pouch you can carry if you have a key fob, and you know, you like me, you don't have to constantly take it in and out when you get inside of cars. The only thing I would have to use my key for is to get in my mailbox and then also get into my apartment. So yeah, y'all, that was everything that made the 2024 list. So if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all. If you get this video to at least 20 likes, I would do the things that didn't make the cut for 2024. So yeah, again, 20 likes, and I would do the what didn't make the cut for 2024. So with that being said, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.